Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Pavani. Today I came up with another new topic. In this class, we will learn how to create a web page like this, how to insert an image like this. You can observe this image is moving one by one after a few seconds, and behind that there is a text, and below to that there is an YouTube video. You can clearly observe that. Okay. In this class, we will learn how to create this. I created this using the Bootstrap 4.5. I used it. Okay. First, to create any web page, first we need to divide the web page into small parts, and then we will try to achieve one by one. Okay. We will see how I divided it. You can clearly observe this. First, there is a background image, and along with the background image there is a heading. There are two sessions. One is heading session and another one is card. In the card there is a carousel. We call these kind of images as carousels. Okay. And there is a card with some text, heading and some paragraph, and there is a YouTube video. Okay. First we will try how to add background image. We have already learned how to add background image. For that I used CSS property background hyphen image, and I give height 100% and width and background size to cover I don't want to repeat the image, that's why I used background hyphen size cover. Okay, this property I connected with the HTML using the class attribute. Okay, this gave me this background image, and in that background image I gave this detailed view heading with the h1 tag. Okay, detailed view heading this is, and I made some CSS properties. I used some CSS properties. Those are these. Color is white and font size is 30 pixels, and font family I used Roboto font family, and you can clearly observe that there is a space between the text and the border. We achieved it using the padding, and I want the text to be bold. That's why I used font hyphen weight bold. Okay, this gave me this detailed view heading. Okay, now we will see how to achieve this card. You can clearly observe that there are three parts in the card. One is carousel part and some text with some heading and some paragraph, and there is a YouTube video. First we will see how to achieve this carousels. First, to add carousels, first we need to go to Bootstrap 4.5 website, and I copied the code from there and I added here. I didn't made any changes in the code from that. Now we will see how to get the Bootstrap code for the carousels. For this we need to type bootstrap.com. We need to go bootstrap.com/docs/4.5. If we type it, we will directly go into this website. Here we need to go into components. In components we need to select carousel. You can see here there is carousel, and go below. I need this kind of images. There should be some indicators like this. Here we need to copy this code. Okay, here we can copy this, and we need to paste it in our web page where we want to add, and we have to give the src of the image at here. Okay, here you can observe that there is dots here. Instead of these dots we have to give the src, that means URL of the image from the Google. We can take it from the Google. I want 3 images, that's why we can give 3. We can select copy image URL from the Google, and you can paste it here. Similarly, I want these images in the carousel. I copied the image URL from the Google and I pasted it here as I have explained. And now we will see how to get this card. We have already discussed about this. For background image I used background color as white, and for heading I used h1 tag, and for paragraph I used p tag, and I made some css properties. For those I wrote some css rule set. Now we will see what it is. You can clearly observe here there is a heading and there is a paragraph. Heading with golden temple, and my paragraph is something, and I wrote some css rule sets. You can see it here. These are the rules that I gave for heading. Font family Roboto, font size 23 pixels, and font weight bold, and I used a hexadecimal code. And for paragraph I wrote some css rules, that is Roboto font family and 13 pixels as the size of the text, and I used some hexadecimal code. And for the background I used background color as white, and I gave margin as 20 pixels. We know that what is the margin. Margin is the space between the border and the text. That's why the space came between the golden temple and the border. Okay, and I used border style as solid, and width is 0 pixels. That means I don't want to see the border. That's why I used 0 pixels, and I gave some border left radius and right radius. It will give the curvature. Okay, now we will see how to get this Google image. YouTube video in our web page. How to add YouTube video in our web page. Okay. Similarly, to add a YouTube video to our website, there are predefined code in Bootstrap. Now we will see how to get it. For this, we need to type bootstrap.com/docs/4.5. This will land on to this web page. Okay, here there is a menu, and we have to go to utilities. In the utilities you need to select embed. Okay, what it is? Embed. In the embed you can see a video, and below that video you can clearly see a code for this. We need to copy this code. Okay, we need to copy this code, and we have to paste it in our page. Okay, but this code will give you this YouTube video, but we want some another video. Here you can clearly observe that I used a video about the golden temple. For this you need to copy URL of the YouTube video from the YouTube, and you can paste in the src of the video. Okay, you can see it here. There is an src http like this. Here we need to paste the URL of the YouTube video. This will give you this web page. Okay, I think you have clarified about this. I hope all you have understood very well. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.